Hello guys, my name is Daniel as always, and today we will show you continuous track kit for Sur-Ron and Talaria Sting. Let's go! Alright guys, so now we are back into the office and I'm going to quickly show you what snow machines we have here. So these are the track kits for Sur-Ron and Talaria Sting. Those have the widest available track itself with the tallest lug height available for the Sur-Ron, for safe performance, for the mid-shaft reliability. These track kits, they perform really well. They will take you to the very deep snow. They perform amazing. On the stock controller and stock battery, you can reach about 25 miles per hour. It is a stable speed, it is a good speed to enjoy your ride, but when you install upgraded controller and upgraded battery, your speed can reach up to 50 miles per hour, no problem. You can have about, I don't know, half-meter snow, no problem. We have videos and photos of our customers riding in such snow. We'll show you right now what is the performance like with the track kit installed and power modified Sur-Ron as well as stock bike. Thank you for watching guys. Contact us if you have any questions about these track kits. We have very short lead time on those and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you guys. Enjoy the videos.